What if an AI could plan your whole vacation? We've all been there. Booking a vacation can be exhausting. Finding the right deals, best hotels, and cheap flights. And what about deciding when your friends, family, or partner can join you on your vacation? You have to act fast because it gets more expensive every day. But what if you don't have to do it all by yourself? Hours of research and weeks of doubt between travel destinations and hotels. Our channel Broke Business Class created an AI to book vacations that match your budget. So, I decided I'd give it a spin. If you're wondering what happened next to let an AI book my vacation, keep watching. I'm very conscious of my money and always looking for great deals. Tools like Google Flights, off-season deals, or booking directly from an airline's website have always helped me. Also, I own an American Express card with Air Miles and XP for discounts on flights. But I kept wondering, can my vacation booking process be more efficient? Therefore, I decided to create a prompt in ChatGPT that allows not only me but every traveler fun and spontaneous vacation bookings. Would it be better than my own judgment, or would it be worse? What kind of hotels or transportation would ChatGPT pick for me? I decided to give it a shot. So I was tired of having to do my vacation research all by myself. An assistant would therefore be nice. You could call a travel agency, but with AI's rapid revolution, I was curious if it could benefit us travelers also. Sometimes, I would even find myself booking something and later regret it because I found an even nicer hotel for less money. Or a flight that's suddenly much cheaper when I have already booked a more expensive flight. Of course, you can never fully trust an AI to do everything for you. Whether it is for a vacation or sticking to your budget, you always need to check it for yourself. Does the flight really exist? Is the hotel picked any good? And is the budget realistic? So I made this prompt in ChatGPT and called it Budget Booking. The most friendly, nicest, and non-judgmental vacation booking assistant. Let's dive into my conversation with AI assistant Budget Booking. So here I'm starting my booking with Budget Booking. And it starts asking whether I'm ready. I'm like, of course. Who doesn't need a vacation? And then it's asking for my name. It's a bit confronting, but Budget Booking would like to know who will accompany me during this trip. I will be traveling alone. It helps me to immerse myself in a country, really getting to know the people and culture. I'm an open person who enjoys new experiences, excitement, and spontaneous plans. Well, there are different types of vacations. I can choose between relaxing, exploring a city, and adventurous vacations. So for me, my preference is an adventurous vacation. I deserved it. Working hard and all, 9 to 5s, you know it. I can use some adrenaline. Okay, well, I'm leaving from Amsterdam because that's where I am right now. Now it is asking how far away I would like to go. Well, as far away as possible would be nice. You know, leaving my regular life behind, seeing some new cultures, and it would help me to see things from another perspective. So here, my answer is far away. Of course, Budget Booking would also like to know what kind of transportation I'd prefer. Since I'll be going to a place far away, traveling by plane would be the most logical option, especially with the amount of time I have for my vacation. What's more? Right. My budget. Okay, well, money is tight, and my channel is called Broke Business Class for a reason. So yeah, extremely economy. You're here for a budget-friendly vacation, right? Luckily, Budget Booking is really cool about it. And I want to leave as soon as possible. So June 24th would be great. I've got some vacation days left, so I want to be back in 10 days. And yes, I would like to get back by then. Guys, it's time for the reveal. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I'll be going to Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, what? I really wanted to go there. I also provided the URLs to the hotel website and flight. I am so surprised with the results. All I have to do now is book my tickets and confirm my hotel booking. So I'm searching on Expedia for the right flight. And the budget is a bit more expensive than Budget Booking predicted, but it is still okay. So great. There's one stop in Guangzhou, China, but I don't mind. It's a fair price for a last-minute vacation. Let me check the hotel again. It is called Good One Hostel and Cafe Bar, and it is located in Bangkok. I'm checking booking.com for this. Wow, the reviews are great. An 8.9? Not that bad. And only $118 for a private room. This is great. I'm shocked. I wasn't expecting this, you guys. What's also really nice is the realistic budget the AI provided me. Thailand is not that expensive, so $30 will be more than enough for my everyday budget. I will not have to think about money, because it figured it all out for me. On top of that, Budget Booking gave me some sightseeing tips. This is great and not what I expected. I am booking the hotel right now and also my flight, because why not? I've checked the details and it all seems legit. Nice. In conclusion, my experience with letting an AI like ChatGPT plan my vacation and budget has been surprisingly positive. Bangkok, Thailand turned out to be exactly the destination I wanted to visit, and the AI's recommendations for flights and hotels were spot on. It saved me time and stress by handling the details, and the budget it proposed was realistic and manageable. However, while AI can excel at efficiency and objectivity, there's always a need for human oversight to ensure everything aligns with personal preferences and expectations. It's a promising tool for enhancing travel planning, but like any technology, it's best used with human judgment. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to plan your next vacation? Should I book another vacation with AI? Give it a thumbs up if you'd like that. If you enjoyed this unique experiment, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends who love travel, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative content like this. Let's explore the future of travel together with AI. Safe travels.